Hello friends, welcome to Fun Electronics. In this video, we are going to see how to create a LED blink circuit without using Arduino. For that, we have to use rebel by timer and resistor and capacitors to blink LED. For that, first we select rebel by timer, go to pole. Here you can find the rebel by timer. Then you need 3 resistors, two capacitors, and one LED. Power supply, 1 voltage, and I need a breadboard. Likewise, you can create the circuit. Here, power and reset connect to 9 voltage. Ground is directly connect to negative voltage, and control voltage connect through the capacitors to ground. Then I use 2 resistors, then a capacitor cascaded to ground. The top end connect to plus. In between 2 capacitor point, that is connect to discharge, and in the in between capacitor and other resistor, that point connect to threshold and trigger. Then output is directly connect to the resistor and the LED to ground. So this is the circuit. If you make this circuit, then you can set the values. So this one is This one is 1 kilo ohm. This one is 10 kilo ohm. This capacitor is 0.01 microfarad. This one is 10 microfarad. Then this resistor is 1 kilo ohm. So after change the values, you can simulate this one. So it starts simulation. Here it is blinking. Then we see how to change the blinking time. So for that, just change the resistor value. Here click set to 100 kilo ohms. Then see the simulation. So here the blinking time is more than the previous. So this is how to create the LED blinking circuit without using Arduino. So if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.